What's going on YouTube? Travis Thompson here, Appalachian RC. Guys, we got the big F15 Eagle up here at the Norris Lake. It's been a while since I flew it up here, guys. Last time I flew it up here, I had landing gear. But anyway, we're barely landing. Now the grass right here is growed in, so that's going to help. So let's get this thing up and play, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Alrighty, guys, you can hear it up here, unlike over at the interstate. Let's do a high speed, baby. Oh yeah. I love it, guys. I do. Let's get down here next to the edge. Maybe do some close speed, maybe. Here we go, guys. Yeah. Man, this thing is such a blast, guys. Gosh, guys, that thing's just a screaming. I mean, it's an echoing down them hollers, boy. Phew. Let's see what time. I got about a minute or so left. Man, this thing's a blast, guys.
Thirty seconds.
30 seconds. We'll do something a little crazy here, maybe. Man, that's so cool, guys.
10, 9, 8.
Alright, guys, we're going to bring her in and land her up here in the grass.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Alright, guys, here we go, guys. Should be easy. Should be pretty easy. As long as I don't run into the bank. Here we go. Well, we'll take the gravel, I guess. A little harder than I wanted to go, but I'm sure it'll be okay, I'm hoping. Kind of overshot it a little bit, guys. It's been a long time since I flew up here. As you can see, this is what I was trying to avoid, was all of the big rocks and stuff. But yeah, we're okay. Just knocked the cone off like normal. Shoot, we good to go, guys, I think. Let's check it. Oh yeah, guys, we're good. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed it, guys. Guys, till we do it again. Safe flying. If you can't subscribe to the channel yet, guys, please hit that share, like, and subscribe button. Sure, we appreciate it. Everybody else out there, my viewers, subscribers, God bless y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Being a part of Appalachian RC, guys. From the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. Till we do it again, guys, safe flying. God bless. Bye-bye.